Hey y'all, just wanted to give you a quick video after Thanksgiving, so let's jump right in. Here's the recipe for my Turkey Tetrazzini. I start with 2 cans of mushroom cream of chicken soup, 1 each, mayonnaise, some spray butter, cheese, celery, onion, and some leftover turkey. I also use spaghetti in this recipe. I also have out here a little bit of curry, some curry seasoning, so I'll use probably a pound of spaghetti. I'll get that boiling in some salted water, and I'll only cook it for about 7 minutes so that it won't be all the way done. It'll cook a little bit more in the oven. So the first thing I'm going to do while my spaghetti is cooking is to pull that meat off of a turkey thigh and leg and a wing. And don't worry, I'm going to save my bones because I'm going to make a turkey bone broth later on. Don't forget to stir your spaghetti. You don't want it to stick together. I've also skinned the turkey as I took it off the bone because you don't want skin in your turkey tetrazzini. Now it's time to chop the turkey. I just want it into nice bite-sized pieces. I had to wash my hands because I've been handling the turkey, and I want to measure my turkey out, but I'm going to stir that spaghetti one more time. I'm going to end up with about 2 cups, or a little bit over 2 cups of turkey, and that's about how much you want for your turkey tetrazzini. Now let's wash the celery and the chopping board and get ready to chop our veggies. So I'm chopping 1 stalk of celery and 1/2 small onion into small pieces. And I'm saving my onion skin and my other celery pieces because when I get ready to make that turkey bone broth, it's going to have a whole lot of good flavor in it because I'm adding that stuff too. I just peeped into my pot and realized my spaghetti is done. And let's go ahead and get that in the strainer. Now I can start chopping my onions. And if you've not noticed yet, this is a 1-bowl meal. I'm only using 1 mixing bowl to get all of this goodness mixed together. So now that I've put in my condensed soups, I'm going to add a cup of mayonnaise. Not Miracle Whip, but mayonnaise. Now it's time for the curry. Curry is the spice that makes this taste so good. And I add 2 1/2 tablespoons of curry. Okay, it's time to add the sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to take 2 cups of it and put it into my food processor because that's the new school part of me. I don't chop up all this stuff. If I don't buy shredded and I buy a block, I'll use my food processor to chop it up. Once you've chopped the cheese, you want to reserve back about a 1/2 cup so that you can add that to your crumb topping that you'll add with some Ritz crackers later on. And I just blitz that until it gets into small bite-sized meltable pieces. Now I'm going to take my kitchen shears and chop up my spaghetti so that it would be easier to eat and not so messy. After I get it chopped up, I'm going to add it to my mixture. I've mixed everything together in that bowl, and now I'm going to add my spaghetti and mix all of it well. If you find that your mixture is a little bit too thick, you can add a half a cup of water or milk to thin it out. I've used condensed soups that are a little bit thicker than Campbell's, and that made my mixture thicker, so I had to add a little bit of moisture. So if you find that, that's perfectly okay. And I sprayed my Pyrex dish with some spray oil to keep it from sticking. Now just add your mixture and put it into a 350-degree oven and bake until it's nice and bubbly. About 20 to 25 minutes. Oh, I forgot to tell you to cover it with aluminum foil. We don't want it to get brown yet because we got a crumb topping to put on it. Okay, put that in the oven. Now it's time to make the crumb topping. I have a sleeve of Ritz crackers and about a half a cup of the shredded cheese that I had set aside from the food processor. And I'm just mixing that together because once the Turkey Tetrazzini has become bubbly inside the oven, which takes about 20 minutes or so, I want to now add that to the top of it, and we'll let that get nice and brown. After I've added the topping, I want to crank up my oven to about 400 degrees and sit it on the top rack so that it can get brown. Look who it is, my taste tester.
Hey guys.
It's too hot now. Oh. Be careful, you can go on.
It's so good in the mouth.
It's good? Okay, good. Hey y'all, so I just finished making my Turkey Tetrazzini. I usually do that after Thanksgiving, the day after Thanksgiving, when I'm taking down my decorations here at the house. I'm going to remove my fall decorations and we're going to eat some Turkey Tetrazzini. So I just wanted to give you a short video on how I do that. I was kind of quiet doing my thing and in the zone. So I hope you enjoyed that recipe. Try that one with your family. It's another recipe that you can use after Thanksgiving Day to use up all that leftover turkey. I hope your Thanksgiving was good and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks to all my new subscribers. I am excited to have you as a part of the family, and we'll see each other again soon. Bye.